People want to talk about the smallest hills they will die on. Well, guess what hill I'm dying on? You need a digital course, okay? You need a digital asset that will make you money while you sleep. Okay, real quick, y'all. What if I told you that making $20,000 per month online is not complicated at all? What if you did not need a massive audience, a crazy ad budget, or some secret hack? Well, guess what you don't. And I'm gonna break it all down for you right now. But first, do me a favor, hit that like and subscribe button so I can keep creating free content to help you build wealth online. Now, when I was first building my business as an entrepreneur and I was making less than $10,000 per month, maybe between 5 and 10K, I was always thinking, should I go back to work? It was always in the back of my mind. And sometimes I did go back to work. I had a job and was running my business on the side, hoping that one day my business would be able to grow. But the problem with that is my business couldn't grow because I was trading time for money in more ways than one. However, when your girl hit 20K per month, aka $250,000 a year, oh, your girl stuck her chest out. You couldn't tell me nothing. I was a real life entrepreneur, okay? Because at that level, the stress of wondering if you can pay your bills and are you a real entrepreneur disappears. You start breathing a little different. You start walking a little different. Okay. And I want that for you. So why is $20,000 the number? Why not $10,000 per month? Why not $1 million? Because $20,000 is what my former coach, Grace Lever, calls the freedom metric. That's when you can finally exhale. Okay. You can have a smaller goal that you're working toward in the meantime. You can have a bigger goal that maybe you want on a longer timeline. But the $20,000 a month mark is the mark you should aim for. Think of it like training to run a race. If $1 million is a marathon, $100,000 a year is your 1 mile mark. And $250,000 a year or $20,000 a month, that's like running your 5K. And trust me, if you were to go for that $1 million goal overnight without the right systems and tax strategy, you would end up losing a huge chunk of it. Okay. So that's why I say that $1 million isn't the right goal for starting out. Okay. Baby steps on the fast track to success. Real quick, before we go on, if you're serious about making consistent, reliable income in your business this year, I'm hosting a free masterclass where I break down my exact system to making consistent 5K and 10K months in your business without burnout. Now, I don't know how many times I'll offer this masterclass again or if I'm going to continue to offer it for free because you never know what tomorrow brings. So click the link below or go to success.millionaires.co/masterclass to snag your spot today. That's success.millionheirs.co/masterclass to snag your spot today. Now, there's 3 things you need to make $20,000 a month. It's not about working harder. It's simply about setting up your business the right way. And every successful business has 3 core pieces, okay? You have your marketing, you have your sales, and you have your fulfillment. So your marketing is how people find you. So think your social media, your website, your networking, your speaking engagements, workshops, anything that brings awareness to your brand and gets potential clients on your list. And if you don't have a list, you need one, okay? Drop a comment below. Do y'all want a separate video on how to build an email list from scratch? Let me know in the comments and I'll get that created for you. Now, the second thing is sales. Marketing is what gets people in the door, but sales is what closes the deal and gets that money in your bank account. Now, sales can happen any number of ways. It could be a one-to-one sales call. It could be a webinar or a masterclass where you pitch to a group of people at one time. It could be a sales page where you drive traffic to that page and people can read about your offer and then check out on their own. It could even, if you have a brick and mortar, it could even be someone walking into your storefront from off the street. So whatever it is, it's the point where the money changes hands. Now, the third part is fulfillment. And that's what you deliver. It's your product, it's your service, it's your one-to-one coaching. Or my personal favorite, a course with a group coaching component and a community. So let's talk about how to put all these three pieces together, the marketing, the sales, the fulfillment, put that together to hit your $20,000 a month goal. Here's the exact steps you need to take to make your $20,000 a month. So first things first, create a $2,000 offer. Okay. If that's too high for you, go for $1,000. Now, that offer needs to be a digital course. Why? Because you need a digital course. Okay. People want to talk about the smallest heels they will die on. Well, guess what heel I'm dying on? You need a digital course. Okay. You need a digital asset that will make you money while you sleep. Okay. So create your $2,000 offer. Now, the beautiful thing about a digital course is you can scale the price of a course up or down depending on what the market will tolerate at that time. So with the digital course, you can make it more valuable by adding group coaching, okay? Or if you want to do a bonus, you can add some one-to-one coaching or some done-for-you services. And then along with that, you want to have a community. Sell 10 of those per month, boom, you're at your 20K. If you want to price it at $1,000, okay, sell 20 per month, boom, you're at your 20K. So that's the offer and the fulfillment part of it. The next thing you want is to have a simple marketing system. Focus on one platform at a time, okay? If you're just starting out, you don't want to be all over the place. You want to be able to concentrate your efforts in one area, okay? I know you might see some of your favorite coaches all over the place. They're on LinkedIn, they're on YouTube, they're on Facebook, they're on Instagram, they're on all these places. But to get to your first $250,000, you don't have to do all that. And in fact, I would say doing all that will actually slow you down from hitting that $250,000 mark because your attention is just too scattered in a bunch of different places. But the power of focus will get you to your goal faster. So choose one platform where your audience hangs out. And on that platform, you want to be showing up every day. Put a freebie up so people can click the link, connect with you, grab something free that demonstrates a little bit about your offer and how you teach. And then boom, you get them on your email list. From there, you want to start selling, okay? Sales is not a dirty word, okay? And for those of you who think sales is hard, being broke is harder. So we want to sell, okay? Use a sales system to facilitate the value exchange where you're saying, hey, you give me this amount of money, I'm going to give you this result in return through my program, through my offer. Whether you're doing that through a webinar, through a sales call, through a sales page, choose one that's going to be your primary method. The power of one is going to serve you right now in this season, okay? Choose one and go all in on it. And then once you have those, you're going to deliver a high quality experience once you get into your $2,000 offer. Where a lot of people go wrong is they are really, really good at selling, but their back end offer, terrible, okay? And then what happens is people experience your offer, and because it's not a high quality product or experience, then they don't go on to buy your additional offers. They don't refer you to other people. But the best coaches know that when they deliver a premium experience, when they go above and beyond for their clients, well, guess what? You end up not having to go hustle for your next client because guess what? They're sending referrals your way. Not only are they sending referrals your way, they want to know, is there something else you have to offer? Because I want to buy it from you. Think about your favorite store. Do you just go there and buy something once? No, because you are relying on their quality and the experience they continue to deliver to you over and over again. So you're going to keep coming back for more, okay? That's what you want to create for your customers, an experience where they just want to keep coming back for more. All right, y'all, if you want to dive deeper or you want my help personally getting to your 20K months, join my community, which is linked in the description box below. And also let me know in the comments, what's your biggest struggle when it comes to making money online? And maybe I'll make a video to answer your question. And as always, check that description box for more free resources. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share if this was helpful, and I'll see you in the next video. All right, y'all, it's your bestie signing off. Peace.